but I thought you got that scholarship or whatever.
Well, yeah, but that doesn't cover everything. It's just kind of hard to know what the best option is.
Mac and cheese.
Excuse me?
The best option today is mac and cheese.
We're actually talking about student loans.
Yeah, for university.
University, huh? If you ask me, student loans are the meatloaf surprise of post-secondary education. A lot of students opt for it without understanding the risk that lies ahead.
That can't be good.
Student loans come in two basic food groups: government-issued and private. Depending on where you live, government-issued student loans are offered through federal programs, provincial programs, or a combination of both. Private student loans and student lines of credit can come from banks, credit unions, schools, or other private institutions. Government-issued loans have a fixed rate that's set by the government. The interest rate for private student loans varies from lender to lender. They're often variable rate loans, which makes them unpredictable and potentially more expensive than government-issued student loans over time.
Can you tell me about your subs?
Subsidized student loans? Sure!
I was asking about the sandwich in this case, but please continue.
Certain loans that you can apply for are government subsidized. This means that the government pays the interest on your loan while you're in school.
What? That's awesome.
Private student loans and lines of credit are not subsidized, so interest starts accumulating from day one, and you're responsible for paying it, even while you're a student.
In that case, I want the sub one.
Well, it's not that simple. You need to make sure you qualify for the loan you want.
There is a range of federal and provincial student loans available, and they all have their own eligibility requirements. Some of the criteria are very basic, like being a full-time student and maintaining good grades. Other loans are only available based on financial need, which your application helps determine.
Do private student loans have all of this eligibility stuff?
Although private lenders don't tend to factor in your financial need, they may have other requirements similar to those associated with regular personal loans. You may need to have a good credit score, for instance, or have a parent co-signer.
There are lots of options out there to choose from. But what I'm worried about is what happens after graduation.
Oh, I know what happens. You and your classmates throw your square hat things really high in the air and everybody cheers.
No, Jen, I meant paying back the student loan.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely more worrisome.
Repayment is an important factor to consider. Government-issued student loans generally provide more flexible repayment options and more resources for repayment assistance than private student loans. Certain provinces participate in the Integrated Student Loans Program, which means that should you have a mix of both federal and provincial loans, they are automatically consolidated after graduation.
Consolidation is when you combine multiple loans into one single loan.
I'm guessing that private student loans and lines of credit don't have as many repayment options.
Private lenders tend to be more rigid when it comes to repayment, and private student loans can be trickier to consolidate.
I told you, there's so many things to consider.
Don't forget to compare additional factors like loan fees and borrowing limits.
Ooh, try and get one with no borrowing limit.
That's actually a terrible idea.
What?
Take my advice, kids. Only borrow what you truly need. Because just like these extra spicy buffalo wings, though it might seem like a good idea to load up, you will definitely pay for it later.
Ew.
That's nasty.
Certain federal student loans are government subsidized. Subsidized.
Cut. Let's do this again.
That's a long thing to say.
I need you to concentrate.
It's a hard word to say.
Take two.
I'm only a lunch lady.